Okay, good evening, everyone. My name is Muhammad Fahri Al-Aziz, and from English Education Department of Pekalongan University. Today, I will present my academic article titled "Development of Blue Songs" by Yongkai to teach discussion text. This study focuses on how music, specifically blues songs, can support the teaching of writing discussion text to EFL or English Foreign Language learners. Okay, uh, the first slide. Okay, the first slide is background of study. Writing discussion text remains a challenge for many English foreign language students, and traditional teaching methods often lack emotional engagement and do not cater to cognitive and effectiveness needs of learners. Meanwhile, music, especially blues songs, has both emotional depth and linguistic richness. And I believe this could serve as meaningful bridge between language input and critical expression. Next slide is research objective. And the main purpose of this research is to use young guys to enhance the teaching of discussion text. Uh, There are four specific objectives. The first one is to develop instructional material based on these songs. Second, to improve students' engagement and coherence in writing. The third one is to evaluate the effectiveness of the materials. And finally, to propose a reflective, innovative learning approach. And next slide is theoretical framework. My study is grounded in the ITDIE model: analyze, design, develop, implement, and evaluate, and which guided the material develop process. I also refer to previous study by M. Kukama, Avdiu, and Simanjunta that support music integration in language learning. Functional grammar, especially from Gerard and Wignall, help structure study argumentative writing. And the next slide is research methodology. I use a qualitative development research design following the IDDIE model. And my participants were fourth semester English education students. Data were collected through observations, interview, and questionnaires, also document analysis to ensure the quality of the material. I also saw expert validation from the material and media specialists. And then the next slide is analyze stage findings. In analyze stage, I found that students struggle to identify debate topics and organize their argument, and they prefer material that were emotional engaging like music. Traditional writing classes were perceived as boring and rigid, and confirming the need for a more dynamic instructional approach. And next slide is design and development stage. In the design and development stage, I create various material like lyric analysis worksheet, graphic organizers, writing rubrics, and PowerPoint presentation. This material will validate by expert and whether deemed feasible, relevant, and engaging for English foreign language writing instruction. And next slide is implementation and evaluation. During implementation, students work with song lyrics, discussing themes related to social and emotional issues. The results were very encouraged. There was increased motivation, better coherence, and stronger critical thinking. A post-lesson survey showed that 90% of students preferred this method over traditional ones. Their rating improved in structure and clarity. And next slide is conclusion and implication. To conclude, the use of Blue Songs by Yonkai made writing instruction more student-centered and emotionally engaging. Through the ADDIE process, the material effectively addressed students' real needs. This approach not only supports language development, but also promote critical and reflective thinking. It's highlighting how music can be more than a supplement. It can be a core instructional tool. And next slide. Sorry. And the last slide is recommendation and closing. I recommend exploring various music genres and integrating multimedia to further enrich learning. Collaboration with musicians could lead to curriculum-based songs tailored to academic content. In summary, this research suggests that music, especially introspective genres like blues songs, can transform writing instruction into a more meaningful and impactful experience. And that's it for me. Thank you for your attention.